In this video, we'll show you exactly how you can optimize revenue for your WordPress website. To accomplish this, we will first start with explaining how you can optimize your WordPress theme. After that, we are going to explain how you can write an optimized prompt using ChatGPT for your website. And as last, we are going to show you that how you can do advertisement for your service-based website. So make sure to keep watching this entire video so that you never miss a step from this video. So without further ado, let's get started now. So right here you can see that I have a fresh installation of WordPress website. So I'm right here in my dashboard. So the first thing that you have to do is to make sure that you have a WordPress website installed already, and make sure you don't have anything up and ready here yet. So the first thing that you will have to do is to hover over this appearance tab right here and then click on themes, and from here click on this add new, and then search a theme that is called Phlox. So PHLOX, Phlox. So simply click on install button here. I already have this theme installed, so I'll simply click on this activate button right here. So right here you can see that this theme is installed, and from here what you will have to do is to click on this install plugins section right here, and then make sure you click right here and then click on bulk action, and then click install button right here and then hit apply here. It will automatically install all of these required plugins that are required in order for this theme to function. So we'll have to wait for a few minutes until all of these plugins will get installed. So let's just wait for a few minutes. So right here you can see that all of these plugins are already installed on our website. Next up, what you will have to do is to click here that says install Phlox core plugin. So simply click here. It will automatically install and activate the Phlox core plugin. It will also install the Elementor page builder because this page builder is required by this theme. So it will automatically install this plugin, and then it will automatically redirect you to this page. So from here what you will have to do is to click on this demo importer, and then from here you will have to click on this services. So once you will click on this services, you will see this option right here for all of the templates that are pro, and you may require to purchase the pro version. So you will see this pro only option, so just ignore this option for now, and for this video purposes we'll be using this particular template right here. So simply click on import button right there, and then from here you will have to click on this continue button, and once again you will have to click on this install plugin. We already have these plugins installed, so it will simply activate these plugins, and for all the plugins that will get activated you will see this green check boxes. And then from here make sure you click on this skip button right here, and then make sure you choose complete pre-built website right here, and then click on import content. So once you will click on this import content, Phlox theme will automatically start importing this particular template for us. So we'll have to just wait for a few minutes until this template will get installed. So right here you can see that our demo is successfully imported. So if we'll click on this preview button right here, it will automatically open our website in a new tab. Here you can see that the website that we wanted to import is already imported on our WordPress dashboard. So everything right here is easily editable. You can change any image, any text, or anything that you are seeing in this template. This is super easy to change anything here. You can change these logos, you can change these testimonials right here. You can also change these team members images and their designation. You can also add these blog posts in here, and then if you want you can change this text here, and this particular area is called footer. You can change this text in the footer part as well. So let me just show you that how you can edit anything in this template. So in order to edit anything in this template, what you will have to do is to hover over here, and then you will have to click on edit with Elementor button. And once you will click on this edit with Elementor button, the Elementor page builder will start loading, and you will just have to wait until the page builder will get loaded. So right here you can see that Elementor page builder is already loaded. So for example, we are seeing this watermark on this image. So simply click anywhere here and you will see this image selected. You can click on this image, and then if you want you can click on this select file, and then you can upload your own images. Or if you want to use any of pre-existing images, you can click here and then you can choose any other images. So for example, if I want to use this image, I'll select this image and then I'll click on insert media, and then we'll just have to wait. And here you can see that our image is already updated. So by doing this, you can change any of these images. And for example, if you want to change any of this text, so simply click right here, and here you will see our services. So you can change this to something like about us or any other text. So for example, I'm making it about us. So here you can see that this text is changing right here. Here you have option to change the secondary heading. So if you will click on this secondary heading, you can replace this text with your own text, this text and this text, and you can also change this description that you are seeing right here. This one is called button. So if you will click on this button, you can change its text from here. So for example, instead of read more, if you want to make it learn more, you can make it learn more, and then you can add the link for other pages. So for example, if I want to link this button to the about page, I'll search for about, and then I'll choose this page, and now whenever someone click on this learn more, they will be redirected to an about page. In the similar manner, you can change any of these text right here. So here we have this title, our services. In the secondary heading, we have this we are here to make your website, and you can also change these icon boxes right here. This is just a few sentences of coding, but here is exact part for the content. You can change this for text right here for the speed optimized, and you can change this text right here as well. If you want, you can enable a button right here, just in case. If you want, it will appear just like this. If you don't want, just make it off. And then if you scroll down, you can easily change this image as well, and you can change this text here as well. In the same way, you can change these text as well, and this one right here, you can change these things as well. If you want to change any of these logos, so simply click on this logo, click here, choose image, and then you can upload your own logos right here. In the same way, you can change these testimonials. So in order to change the testimonial content, simply click one of these testimonial. You can change this image by clicking here, and if you want to change the content, click on this content tab. You can change the name. So for example, if I'll change this name to John, you can see here is the changes reflecting, and right here you can change the testimonial text as well. If we scroll down, we have this team member section. You can change the team members as well. So simply click here, and from here you can change the name of staff member. You can change their designation. You can change the content that you are seeing here. You can also change the image for staff members as well. This will apply to all of these staff members. And then this one particularly here are the blog posts. So in order to change the blog post, you will have to go back to your WordPress dashboard. And let me refresh this WordPress dashboard, and from here you will see this post option. So in here you will see all of these posts. You can upload your own blog post right here. So in order to upload your own blog post, you will have to click on this add new button right here, and once you will click on this add new button, a new window will appear, and in here you can type in the title for your blog post, and down below you can type in the content for your blog post. If you will click on this post option right here, you will have all of these settings. From here, the most important thing is this featured image. So you will always have to insert a featured image for your blog post. For that, you will have to click on this set featured image right here, and then you can upload your own featured image. And once you will write this blog post, make sure you hit publish right here. Every new blog post will automatically appear right here, so you will not have to worry about this thing. And then this one particularly is the part of the footer. So let me show you that how you can update the header and footer of the website. So in order to update the header of the website, you'll have to hover over here, and then you can click on header. And also if you want to change the footer as well, you can click on footer here. So right here you can see that Elementor page filter is loading for the header part, and here you can see we have the header. So if you will click on this Flocks business right here, this one is the logo. You can change your logo. These are the navigation menu. You can change your phone number, and if you want, you can insert your social media icons as well. So in order to insert your social media links, you will have to paste your social media links right here. Now in order to edit the footer, you will have to do the same thing. You will have to hover over Elementor and then you will have to click on footer, and this will appear for you. From here you will be easily able to change this text and this secondary heading as well, and if you want you can insert some description here. Then you can link this button to somewhere else as well, and then you can easily change this logo, you can change this text, you can change these items, change these contact details, and if you want you can remove one of these things. So for example, I want to remove this. I'll right click here and then I'll click delete and it will get deleted. And for example, I want to remove powered by Flocks theme. So for that I'll click here, and then from here you can click on right here and it will automatically remove these theme attributions. So if once you will satisfy, click on this update button, and then if we'll go back to our website, you won't be able to see that theme attributions anymore. So if I'll go down to the footer area, here you can see we don't have that theme attributions anymore. So in this way you can update this template. Now let me show you that how you can use the ChatGPT to actually create something for your website. So for that what you will have to do is to go to the ChatGPT, and in here we can ask the ChatGPT to write us the copy or the content copy for our business website. So in here let's suppose that we are providing the business consulting services. So I'll ask the ChatGPT, write me a sales copy for business consulting services. So once you will type in this prompt, ChatGPT will automatically start writing the content for you. You will just have to wait until the ChatGPT will finish writing the content for us. So right here you can see that I have asked the ChatGPT to write a sales copy for the business consulting services, and in here it has wrote this copy for us. I'll ask the ChatGPT to write me at least 2000 words of long sales copy for business consulting services, and then it will write this 2000 words of long sale copy that we can easily use on our website. So in this way you don't have to worry about any of the content of your website. You can always use the ChatGPT to create any kind of content for your website. You can also create the blog post using the ChatGPT for your website. You will just have to type in that write me a blog post for the business consulting services website, and the ChatGPT will automatically suggest you some title, and then you can use one of those titles to create the blog post around that title. This is that simple. So right here you can see that it is creating the long sales copy containing 2000 words. So it will take some time. We'll have to actually wait until it will get finished. So right here you can see that ChatGPT has already wrote the 2000 word of long sales copy for our website that you can easily use to change any of this text on the website that I just showed you. Now the next part, I'll show you that how you can advertise your service-based website. So in order to do that, you will have to require some creatives. So for that you can head over to canva.com. So once you will head over to canva.com, what you will have to do is to search for display ads here, and once you will search for display ads, you will see all of these different kinds of creatives. You can use any of these creatives. What you will simply have to do is to choose one of these creatives. So for example this one, simply click on this creative and then click on customize this template, and once you will click on customize this template, you will have this template right here. You can change this text by simply double clicking here, and then you can double click here to change this text. You can also change the text of this button, and you can also change this image right here. You can place your logo right here, and in this way you will have your creative ready. And once you will have your creative ready, you can use this creative to run some Facebook ads or some Google ads to bring traffic to your website. And because the ChatGPT has wrote the copy for you, you will have the bright chances that you will start getting sales on your website. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have learned something new from this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you will always get notified whenever we upload new video. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.